Hello everyone, in this forecast I'll be making an update on pound JPY from the weekly forecast I made on Saturday. So without further ado, let's get down to this video. Alright, so from the monthly time frame, I wanted to see the price make it up to this high for a variety of reasons I talked about on that video. If you've not seen that video, do well to check it out. I'll leave it in the top right corner now. I'll also leave a link in the description below. So I wanted to see the price make it to this high from the monthly time frame. So let's see what we have from the weekly time frame. Alright, so from the weekly time frame, what we can see is that we had this low right here. From this low we had the next high, we had a lower high, we had an higher high, and after an higher high, what we expect next will be a lower high. After a lower high, the next thing we should be expecting will be an higher high. So from the weekly time frame, we still expect to see price make it to this high, except that this week's candle has not closed. Even though we have price below major level of structure at this point, you can see that it was resistance here, we have support at this point, and price is currently below it. This week has not closed, and we might still see the price close above this level of structure. So from the weekly time frame, we still expect to see this push upward since this week has not closed. So let's see what we have from the daily time frame. Alright, so from the daily time frame, what we can see is that we have this channel right here. You can see how this area has been respected as resistance. You can see how this area has been respected as support, and today's candle is actually retesting this area as support once again. Remember, in the weekly forecast I made, I talked about this candle right here, and I said this candle will most likely be a bull strap. Now you can see that the next candle just closed below, and we just had all this push downwards. So we never had an opportunity to take a trade from this area, and right now we have price at a major level of support right here. So now we can see that this was major level of support, and with price once again at this support, we can expect the next move higher. However, we are going to work with trends again. We can see that from this area we had one high, we had a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, we had a lower high, higher high, lower high, and then we had the last higher high before this move lower. So now we can see that this uptrend we had right here has been broken already. So this is the only negative confluence we have right now. So however, after a broken support, we expect the area to hold as resistance. So what we will then be expecting will be for the price to make it up to this area of structure right here, to retest it as resistance. So that's what I'll be expecting over the next coming days or weeks. The next move to this area of structure right here, you can see that we had support here, we had support, we had support, we had support until the break right here without any retest. So we'll expect to see this price move up to this area. Then so that means if I'm going to get a valid entry from somewhere around here, then I'll be taking this trade with good risk to reward, and I'll be exiting at this high, because we can see that we have previous level of resistance at this point, we have resistance at this point, we had a break below, and this area might hold as resistance. So when the price will get here, if it will get to this area, then I will exit. If I'm on any running trade on this pair, I will exit at that point, and I will just stay on the sidelines to observe how the price will react to this area, if it will follow what we have from the weekly and the monthly time frame for the next move higher, or if it's going to reject this area for another push lower, or probably a consolidation between this channel support right here and this major level of resistance right here. So that's going to be all on this update. If you enjoyed it, do click the like button, subscribe, click on the bell notification to enable you get our videos whenever we upload them. So till we meet in the next video, remain profitable and have a wonderful day.